Good evening, Richmond County, and welcome to your Tuesday edition of Live at 5. I'm Sierra McQueen Fowler. Another day, another report on the coronavirus pandemic. Richmond County still has no positive cases reported as of this afternoon. However, neighboring Anson County is now showing a case according to the North Carolina Department of Health and Human Services. Statewide, the total is just too shy from 1,500 positive cases of COVID-19. The website is now reporting 8 deaths in the relation to the virus, an increase of 2 from yesterday's report. The number of people hospitalized has gone up to 157, which is an increase of 20. With Anson now showing its first case, the number of counties, including Richmond, that are coronavirus free is now at 24. Those traveling to and from work during Governor Roy Cooper's stay-at-home order do not need travel documents. At least that's the case in Richmond County. The county put out the notice Monday afternoon saying that waivers, certificates, or letters from employers are not required to travel on the roadways. That has been a question on many employees' minds since the governor's order, which went into effect at 5 p.m. Monday. In anticipation of such a requirement, several companies and other entities in Richmond County have already issued such documents. There is currently no curfew in place for Richmond County. The North Carolina State Highway Patrol also announced that it will not be conducting traffic stops during the stay-at-home order unless reasonable suspicion exists. Troopers ask that residents do not call Star HP or 911 for non-emergencies. The governor's order allowed for a wide variety of essential businesses to remain open during the 30-day time frame. Prior to the stay-at-home order, Cooper had already closed several businesses where social distancing is difficult or impossible to maintain, including bars, hair and nail salons, bowling alleys, skating rinks, and sweepstake parlors. All recreation facilities across Richmond County are closed, but you can still walk around and play disc golf. Health and Human Service Director Dr. Tommy Gerald announced in a press release Monday afternoon that parks owned by the county, City of Rockingham, and Town of Dobbins Heights would be closed when Cooper's stay-at-home order went into effect. The walking trails at Hitchcock Creek and Henson Lake are still open, as is the disc golf course, according to local leaders. However, the restrooms there are closed. Rockingham's Parks and Recreation Department also announced Monday that spring soccer and youth baseball and softball were canceled for this year. Indoor soccer will be the first program to commence when circumstances allow. Hamlet Mayor Bill Bayless said that his city's parks and facilities have been closed for a week, but walking around Hamlet City Lake is still permissible as long as people don't congregate in large groups and are practicing social distancing. He added that the police department will be monitoring these areas. If you plan to get out of the house with a trip to the beach or for some other water-related recreation south of the border, you're out of luck. South Carolina Governor Henry McMaster on Monday ordered the closure of all beaches and public boat landings and other water access in the Palmetto State. The order does not apply to individuals possessing a current valid commercial fishing license. It also does not impact the rights of private property owners living on beaches, lakes, rivers, or waterways in any way. Last week, the North Carolina Department of Natural and Cultural Resources closed more than 24 state parks, including nearby Morrow Mountain in Stanley County. Although campgrounds, trails, restrooms, and visitor centers are closed, most boat landings are still open, according to the NC State Parks website. The National Forest Service also shut down most areas except for non-motorized trails and dispersed camping, as these activities support social distancing and small groups. American Legion Baseball is still expected to return to the Richmond County this summer after a 13-year absence. Looking to hold its first season since 2007, the Hamlet Post 49 baseball team is waiting out the current coronavirus outbreak. But manager Chip Gordon said everything is expected to go as planned beginning June 1st. High school sports across the state were indefinitely suspended by the North Carolina High School Athletic Association on March 12th. American Legion Baseball and its recruiting has also been impacted by the hiatus, not allowing teams to conduct any sort of official business. Geared towards players who recently graduated high school or who are preparing for their sophomore year of college, Gordon said the Post 49 team already has 13 players on its roster. Barring no changes to the schedule are made due to the COVID-19, Post 49 will play 15 games this summer. The team will play its 8 home games at Memorial Park in Hamlet, which has undergone a $10,000 facelift since last August. When we return, we've got your Live at 5 weather report. It's coming up right after the break, so stay tuned.
Hometown heroes? Well, maybe. When it comes to backyard comfort and no pesky mosquitoes, call Brown Termite and Pest Control at 910-895-6410 or 910-276-8870. Their team of superheroes can take back control of your paradise. That's 910-895-6410 today.
McNair Auto Sales is the place to buy your pre-owned car, truck, or van. To be the best, it takes big selection, friendly staff, and great pricing. We guarantee a no-hassle buying experience, and financing is available right on site. So come see us today. We're located at 1026 East Broad Avenue in Rockingham. And remember, with over 40 years of experience, you know McNair is the name you can trust.
JC's in Rockingham has you covered for used appliances, parts, trailers, and storage. We have one of the largest selections of reconditioned washers, dryers, and refrigerators in the Sand Hills, and we offer free delivery to residents inside Richmond County. Come check out our variety of trailers for any hauling job and our storage buildings for the things you need out of the weather or house. We also carry parts and accessories for appliances, trailers, truck beds, and can order the things you need. That's JC's on South Hancock Street in Rockingham.
At Richmond County Hospice, we strive to provide high-quality care to our patients and their families. Whether it's the incredible hospitality at the Haven House or from the comfort of your own home, you can count on Hospice to be there for you. We also offer monthly grief support groups, and our chaplain will be there to hold your hand in prayer. Through our amazing staff and our volunteers, Hospice has made difficult times easier for our community. Call the number on your screen if you feel that you or your loved one may benefit from our services. Richmond County Hospice. Peace, comfort, dignity.
Do you want a healthcare career? Certified medical assistants are multi-skilled healthcare professionals capable of completing administrative and clerical tasks, making them a valuable member of the healthcare team at medical clinics, doctors' offices, and other healthcare facilities. According to the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, the employment of medical assistants is projected to grow 23% over the next 8 years, much faster than the national average. At Richmond Community College, our medical assisting students are trained in our cutting-edge Simulation Learning Center, giving them hands-on experience with high-fidelity mannequins that simulate real-life patient interaction. In addition to clinical skills, our students also receive instruction in scheduling appointments, coding, processing insurance accounts, billing, collections, and medical transcription. Complete the medical assisting program in just 2 years and start your lifelong career today. Visit www.richmondcc.edu to learn more about enrolling in the medical assisting program at Richmond Community College or call 910-410-1700.
Your Live at 5 weather report is brought to you by R.O. Yellow, Richmond County's new online business directory. Happy Tuesday, everybody. Hope you're having a great day today. Has been a little bit of a dreary and cold day today. Not a whole lot of precipitation, but it has been cold. Really kind of chilly outside when I walked outside this morning to go to work, and really not great weather. 16 degrees dropped down from what we saw yesterday for 7 o'clock, where it was that nice 70-degree weather. We're now seeing 56 this evening at 7 o'clock with a 50% chance of precipitation. At 9 o'clock, that rain will be gone, but it'll still be a 51-degree temperature with cloudy skies. Sunset at 7:40, but you're probably not going to get to see that, nor will you get to see that waxing crescent moon tonight. Looking at the Sand Hills weather map tomorrow, though, we are seeing warmer weather's returning. Not quite as warm as what we saw yesterday, but nonetheless, sun will be out and shining bright with some partly cloudy skies. Fayetteville will be a high of 59, low of 44. Rayford will be seeing a high of 60, low of 43. Down in Robeson County, it'll be a high of 59, low of 44. Scotland will be seeing a high of 60, low of 44. Up in Moore, it'll be a high of 60, low of 43. Back here in Richmond County, Ellerby will be seeing a high of 60, low of 42. Rocky and Hamlet just a little bit more warmer, high of 61, low of 42. Down in Bennettsville, it'll be a high of 60 and a low of 44. And across the PD in Wadesboro, it'll be a high of 60 and a low of 43. Once again, partly cloudy skies across the entire Sand Hills tomorrow, looking really nice. Of course, with that sunshine coming, so is the pollen. So be on the lookout for that. Take a look at 7-day forecast. So much sunshine ahead. A lot of warm degrees coming up as well. Rain at the end of that 7-day forecast. We'll get that in just a moment. But Wednesday, a high of 61, low of 42, partly cloudy skies. Thursday and Friday are both looking nice, bright, and sunny. High of 65, low of 43 on Thursday. Friday, a high of 69 and a low of 46. On Saturday, it's going to be looking partly cloudy skies with a high of 70 and a low of 50. And then on the other half of the weekend, Sunday will be partly cloudy skies once more. High of 79, low of 56. And then on Monday, mostly cloudy skies with a high of 78 and a low of 62. And then on Tuesday, we do have a 50% chance at precipitation in the afternoon. None whatsoever in the evening. Of course, that's 7 days out. That could very well change between now and next week. We'll be closely monitoring that for you. It'll be a high of 83, however, and a low of 66. So right now it's looking to be our hottest day of the week, despite the rain coming along. So just be on the lookout for that for next week. But next 6 days, however, it's looking really nice, bright, and sunny. That's going to do it for Live at 5 Weather Report and for tonight's edition of Live at 5. Of course, for the latest news, weather, and sports happening here in Richmond County, you can always visit richmondobserver.com, or you can download the free RO app for your mobile devices. For the Live at 5 crew, I'm Russell Parker. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you tomorrow. Good night, Richmond County.